For the past few weeks, a lot of people have been complaining that their adverts are not converting like it used to. And that's probably because of the new meta ads algorithm called the Andromeda, which is causing a lot of problems. So in this video, I'm going to show you what the Andromeda is, how to run ads that favor the new meta ads algorithm, and then how you can structure your ads to gain better results from your advert. In December 2024, Meta published an article titled Meta Andromeda, supercharging advanced cloud automation with the next-gen personalized retrieval engine. So what is the Andromeda? Andromeda is a new brain that detects which ads people see on Facebook and Instagram. Think of it as a combination of super AI models and supercomputers working together, making sure that your adverts are only shown to the right people who are probably going to become a lead to your service business or buy your product or service. There are now millions and millions of adverts being created every day, especially with AI tools that can make thousands of pictures and videos very fast. So the Meta ad post system could not keep up. It was too slow and could not personalize ads effectively. So the new ad algorithm, Andromeda, is here to fix that. It can handle way more adverts much faster and make better data about what each person wants to see. Before now, Facebook used to have a pool of adverts that they can show to their user. But right now, Meta has a very good machine learning system that will only show the adverts to the right thing. Once they come online, you are only going to see adverts about things you are really interested in. Instead of Facebook they saying, should we show you this, should we show you that? You are only going to see adverts tailored specifically for the things they are interested in. So Andromeda filter out that noise and ensures that the ads shown to people are the ones most likely to matter to them. So the question is, how do I run ads in the way that favors the Andromeda? Two words: creative diversity. Creative diversity is creating multiple variants of your ads and your marketing message. Before now, the mistake we used to make was to create one video with one message and create multiple variants of that message. Use that to run ads for our services or products. Right now, the new Meta ads algorithm wants you to create multiple variations of your marketing messages, targeting different customer avatars. I'm going to show you a practical example on how you can do this. Let's say I want to sell skincare supplement for ladies. The first thing I'm going to do is to conduct a thorough audience research. Now, you need to understand that 90% of Meta ads sell due to a lack of audience. Resetting your audience is going to do two things for you. It's going to help you understand the problem you are solving and how your customers perceive this problem. And then it's going to help you uncover the hidden desires of your customer and how your product or service make their life better. Audience research is very, very important. So once I'm done with my audience research, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a list of the top 3 problems I'm solving and the top 3 desires of my target audience. 3 each, making it a total of 6 items. Now, this list are 6 reasons why a lady should buy my skincare product. I want you to follow my train of thought. Now, 6 reasons are 6 different customers. 6 reasons, 6 different customers, 6 different avatars, not just one person. So Naomi, Aisha, Kioma, Edidio, or Joy, and Ethan Noah, these are the 6 different customers who will sell my skincare product. And remember, they are buying for different reasons. They are not buying for the same reason. And this is something you need to understand, which is the next step, your messaging strategy. Each customer is unique. Each customer is unique. So I need to create a marketing message that is only relatable to them. Let's say Aisha wants to buy my skincare product to maintain already flawless skin. That's what I'm going to sell to her. I'm not going to tell Aisha to come and get rid of wrinkles. She does not have wrinkles. She just wants to maintain the flawless skin she has already. I have no business talking about wrinkles. So I'm only going to appeal to Aisha to buy my 10K supplement to maintain her progress skill. If Trauma wants to get rid of acne, I can sell that to Trauma. Here's something you should note. Your customers buy your product or service for different reasons. So don't make the mistake of selling like you're selling to just one person. We need different marketing messages and handles to survive the new meta art algorithm. Guys, this is very serious. So the mistake we used to make is that we pay for marketing message for one customer, we use that and create multiple variations around that. No. Once you do that, faith is going to see that advert as one. Even if you create multiple variations of fire, the error of changing the first 3 seconds of the video and then keep the body to tell and the cup that is gone. Faith is going to see everything as one. So you have to be creative and you have to create multiple variations of your marketing message to appeal to different people. So the next thing I want to do is to develop my creative. The best way to target your audience right now is to use your creative, your videos, your images, your ad copy, and your messages. The era of you paying someone for a target audience and hoping to make them from that is gone. Right now, AI is doing your targeting for you, whether you like it or not. So you have to learn to create multiple images and videos that appeals to your target audience. So I'm going to create as many videos as possible and images as possible with the marketing message relatable to Aisha, which is maintaining a flawless skin. I'm not going to talk about any other thing. Then I will do same for Trauma, Edidio, or Joy, Itfelu, and Naomi with each of their unique marketing methods. Let's say Trauma is buying my products, like intake supplement, to get rid of acne. That's what I'm going to start with Trauma. So each of my customer avatars have different reasons for buying my intake supplement. And I'm going to tailor my marketing messages to those reasons. So the new better art algorithm favors creative diversity. You need to give the algorithm multiple images and videos to choose from. Please don't make the mistake of using a single image or a single video to run ads. It's either going to fatigue or fail outrightly. The next step is to launch my campaign, which is a test campaign. So back then, all we used to do was to create one campaign, create multiple ads, and then include one advert per ad. No. Right now, all you can do is to create one campaign, one asset, and put in at least 5 to 6 adverts under one asset. This is something you need to know. Each of these adverts are talking to a unique customer. Not all of them will be talking. The reason why you want to do that is to give the meta algorithm diverse messages. So make sure you use creative that are diverse, speaking to different customers with different marketing messages. And creative is going to push the one that relates to people the most. So once I do this, I'm going to leave my adverts run for like 72 hours, normal period. If you have enough budget, leave it to run for a week. After 72 weeks, if you've done this right, you are going to find adverts that are performing better than the other. These are my winning ads. Then I'm going to turn off the poorly performing advert and then move the winners to my scaling campaign. If you made it to this point and you want to sit down with me and tailor this strategy for your business, check the description of this video and book a free call with me. Then also, if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. And if you want me to create a video on any topic, let me know in the comment section as well. See you in the next one.